copy the shotgun black market.
Was een kijker?
Jezus. Hoe is het dood?
Oh, fuck.
I need to go to the hospital again.
Do you just want bandages? Or are you limping? Yeah, it'll help. I did the same.
Hoe is het dood?
Took a car, yeah.
Nee.
Jezus.
Met mijn karren dan opzet.
Nou, dit is kacht van, what the fuck. Jezus. Jezus. Hoe is het dood?
But after, we can just quickly spot in back.
Steeds